take this screen here. So we do take those 4 screws out first. And then we do match, see this groove to match here. We make it in like this. Hold it with your hand and take the 4 screws back in one by one. Make those 4 screws in and make them tight enough. Make the screen stay properly. And then we take this one. Also take the 2 screws out. And then take this handle holder in. Make the screws tight enough too. Okay, we may only take one for example, and another one has been in. After those 2, we do focus on here, the handle holder too. We also take all screws here out first, and then we do match the holes and make the handle holder, 2 handle holders in, and take this side like this, make it level with the screen. So they do opposite like this. The handle holders of here is for big handle, and the handle holders here for small handle or the curve handles. Okay, and then we take handles to holder first. We take handles to holder first. Okay, and this side too. See, we take curve handles for this holder and the big handles here, and another curve handles. Okay, after we take handles in handle holders, then we do connect the last part for handles, the other parts of handles. Press harder in and make this one to fit in. Any handle can be any place. Just make them connected well, will be fine. Press harder and make it like this, and you listen crack sound. That means handle connected well. And then machine is for installation of the machine is done. Thank you.